Shanghai Longjoin Electromechanical Technology Development Company Limited was incorporated in September 2003 in Baoshan District, Shanghai City. On February 14, 2016, it implemented stock reform and changed its name to Shanghai Longjoin Intelligence Technology Company Limited. On May 13, 2016, it was limited on the new third board of the National Same Share Transfer System with door code A37588. Investment. The registered capital of the company is 28 million yuan with a total investment of about 100 million yuan, including 55 million yuan of fixed assets. The headquarters is located in Shanghai. The factory is located in Haiyan, Zhejiang. The factory covers an area of about 38,000 square meters. Staff. The company has about 200 employees, including 3 senior engineers and 12 engineers. Products. The main products of the company are lamp light control, which is a kind of industrial or serial control that tracks the ambient brightness level and automatically turns on or off the lamp. I'm Stella. The above is the background introduction of our company. What are our main products in the next video? Welcome to follow us. Bye-bye.